Did you know that there are two common ways to say I forgot in Korean? The first phrase is 잊어버렸어요. This is a polite expression, so you can use it in most situations where you need to convey forgetfulness. You can use it when you speak politely but not too formally, such as with colleagues, older family members, or a stranger. Forgot your phone? You can say 제 휴대폰을 어디에 뒀는지 잊어버렸어요. This means I forgot where I put my phone. The second phrase for I forgot in Korean is 깜빡했어요. Imagine you're meeting a friend for lunch, but you completely forget about it because you got caught up in a Netflix binge. Later, when your friend calls and asks where you are, you could humbly admit 깜빡했어요, meaning I completely forgot. Be sure to check out our resource guide to learn more about the phrase I forgot in Korean in the description below. See you in the next video!